Okay, let's move on to the next question. That is the maximum distance between the point minus 5 comma 0 and a point on the circle x square plus y square equals to 4 is what? So clearly the topic over here is circles, but circles of not Euclidean geometry but coordinate geometry. So a few things that we are going to use over here as let me remind you those things. That is, any circle with center at the origin is of the form x square plus y square equals to r square, and the distance between any 2 points is given by the distance formula, and that is given by x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between any 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2. So let's try to solve this question. Right. So let me draw a circle first. And this is a circle, and let's draw the axis. Let this be the y-axis, and let this be the x-axis. So this circle is x square plus y square equals to 4, and we know that the radius of the circle will be 2. So this point over here will be 2 comma 0, and this point over here will be minus 2 comma 0, and we have some point over here minus 5 comma 0, and I want to find out the maximum distance of a point on the circle from this point. Now clearly, if you are intelligent enough, since this is a multiple choice questions, you don't need to show the working. You can see that the maximum value is basically this distance, and this distance is 5 units and this is 2 units. So the distance will be 7, and you will directly write the answer 7. But let's take the formal way and find out what it should be. Okay, so let the required point, that is which is at maximum distance from minus 5 comma 0, let the point which is at maximum distance from the point minus 5 comma 0 be, let's say, alpha comma beta. Then what should be the distance between minus 5 comma 0 and alpha comma beta? We will use the distance formula that I have written over here, and that will be alpha plus 5 square plus beta minus 0 square. So this is nothing but root over of alpha square plus beta square plus 10 alpha plus 25. Now this alpha comma beta lies on the circle, therefore it should satisfy this equation. So therefore I can write alpha square plus beta square is also equals to 4. So this can be written as 4. So this distance should be 4 plus 10 alpha plus 25, that is 29 plus 10 alpha. Now for D to be maximum, I want the alpha to be maximum too. Now what is the maximum value of alpha? That is, what is the maximum value of x coordinate that you can see in this figure? it's obviously 2 over here. Okay, it cannot take a value beyond this point. So the maximum value of alpha will be equals to 2. Now if you put d equals to, if you want to find maximum value of d, so that will be 29 plus 10 alpha max, and that will be 29 plus 10 into 2, that will give me root over of 49, and we know root over of 49 is 7. So this is your answer. And if you were a bit smart, then you could have initially found out the answer as 7, as we did it in the beginning. So this is a formal approach in which you can do this, but since this is a multiple choice exam, you don't need to do that. You can directly write the answer 7 from the figure. I hope you enjoyed this.